Yo, what's poppin'? Welcome back to Bhroman Braapsody. This is where we usually review cars and motorcycles. But today we have a special guest. It's Chris McNeil, and he is the BMW Factory Stunt Rider. Right?
Pleasure to be here, man. Appreciate it.
Absolutely. We are here at Motorcycles of Greensboro, and Chris has been doing a bunch of stunt riding today. He still has a couple of events for the day.
We're out here doing stupid things on motorcycles. Life doesn't really get much better than that.
Better than that. Well, thank you so much, Chris. Thanks for being on our show. And for you guys, if you go out and watch him live, tell him the Bhroman sent you. He'll know what's up.
Horsepower, but look how much fun this thing is already. You guys put your hands down, make some noise for Teach out here. Hear that thing just picking up some speed right up on the front tire, all the way up to the green, paying attention. Sitting down right there. Down one more time, right up on that front tire, all the way around. Huge. Now this is the I want to be a hooligan in a safe manner, not get arrested kind of bike right here. Absolutely, look at this. He's still flying around. He's got this front tire in the air the whole time. That's one of the best parts about the small machines is he puts this thing wherever he wants it to go. He literally rides around with the title in his back pocket because he owns this thing. Yeah, you get that, Dad joke? Thanks, Dads, for laughing. Let's that clutch out. You can see that 1600cc just bursts to life right there and takes off. Now, one of the biggest things we get every time we do a stunt show is people always ask us, man, how did you start doing this? Well, the answer is exactly opposite of what you expected. What we did was we really learned how to ride our motorcycles. And what you see what he's doing right now is he's using a little bit of the clutch, the brake, and the gas all at the same time. Now, this is something that every single one of you that rides a motorcycle, you can go to a parking lot. You can do it in your driveway. Heck, do it in your garage if you've got a two-car garage. Just don't hit your wife's Beamer. She will be upset. Speaking from personal experience. Don't do that in your horrible life. Bring it one more time. Straight up and down, and not only is it just a smoking, sticking that leg out, backing it in. If you guys need your driveways or your street resurface, just give us a call. We're more than happy to come on out and help you guys out. Making it look nice and easy out here. Just another day in the office with Factory BMW. Chris McNeil right now.
Yeah, man!
Tag him at Teach McNeil. Facebook and Instagram. We're going to hang out.
Whoa!
Back in nice and hot. Look at this.
Yeah!
Man, it's even sweeter when he backs in that K1600B.
Yeah, boy!
You guys put those hands together. Thanks so much for BMW's Chris McNeil. We've been out here.
Yeah, boy!
Absolutely love coming. Look at this. Here we go. This time standing up on the seat. We call that the flamingo right there. And the seat is jumping to the
Yeah!
He is. He's stealing. It's hard to find people that are willing to risk their lives and this at the same time. We're hanging out, having some fun with our friend Jesse out here. Round and round he goes. BMW jacket, you can actually grab yourself one of those inside here at Motorcycles on Charlotte. Tire, he's up, he's rolling. All the way to the cannon. It is a good time. Look at this. Tire carving around. Motorcycle. Oh, look at this. Hanging off the left side all the way around. Off the rev limiter, but he keeps out there. Back down to the front. You hear him shifting down in the first. That bike's sliding right back. Tire spinning. Almost taking it. He's putting this S1000 to load. You guys put your hands together for Factory Stunt Rider. McNeil out there.